Happykids TV.
Hey everybody, it's Maria from Happykids, and today I'll be showing you how to make a Play-Doh snail. Whenever I think of a snail, I think of like slimy and gross. So today I'm going to make my snail very pretty. Here are the colors that I am using to get started, but you can use any colors that you want. I'm using magenta, blue, white, and orange Play-Doh. Let's get started. First, I'm going to be using the magenta Play-Doh to form the shell. Just flatten the bottom. I'm thinking about the size of a golf ball for the head, but depending on how big your shell is on how big your head is going to be. Just roll it into a nice little ball. Then just stick the head onto the shell. Now I'm going to make the eyes. Snail obviously needs a smile. Snail, and be sure that when you're at home it can be any colors that you want as long as you're having fun. Be sure to come back and see what I'm creating next here on Happy Kids. See you later.
To watch more videos, please subscribe.